So welcome to you in our YouTube channel English Speaking Course Shiroda, and I am Namrata Kudav, and you can see here are very energetic students, here are very energetic girls, and they are here for debating, means they will talk the topic which I will give them. So are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, so here are both students, Aslesha and Prachi, and they will talk one point, they will talk on one point which I will give them, and I will give them very interesting point. And so students, listen here. My yesterday I was thinking about that. About some schools, some colleges. There is music lecture is there. Okay. So my question is that what do you think that it's a really important music subject? It's a really required music subject in every school, in every colleges. The debate point is that it's really music is an important subject or not. Okay. What do you think that? Your answer is
No.
no. Means you are talking about that music is an important subject. Music is an important subject. You are obviously yes.
Yes.
Okay. Can you talk? No, it's a debate, so you have to put your views confidently. Okay. Just talk more, talk speedily, and don't think about your mistakes. Just talk freely. Okay. Yes. Okay. Start.
As per my view,
Mic problem.
it was a necessary subject for school children.
It is necessary subject.
But school students are music is in necessary subject in school students
Big necessary subject
in isn't necessary subject
isn't. Okay. Why means why? Answer give.
because they are not attention in your study and they are full attention in music period and music practice.
Okay, means wait, huh? Means she's talking about that if music lecture is there, no, so students are only giving attention on music. Okay, means they are not giving attention to the study. Got it? Whole day they are listening music only, like this you are talking. No, means in school. In school, suppose next lecture it will be music. So previous also they are giving their focus, their attention only to that next lecture, music. Okay, means present lecture which that, for example, maths. So they are not giving attention. Like this, yes, no? Like this example you give and explain.
But in class, schools, some students are like a music subject
Hmm.
and they want that also.
But school students are some students are not didn't like the music,
Don't like.
the music, and he not attention in music period.
They don't. Yeah.
But
Means
in schools, if you want, then you
mic,
can.
mic, mic.
If you want, then you can join music subject.
Means she is talking about the choice is in our hand. Okay, if you don't like music, then you can't sit. Am I right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you can tell to your teacher. Yes.
But your choice is best, but not good in student in our life because they are not attention in your study. They are not priority, they are first priority in the study because they are not attention in study and they are full focus are music.
Means she is talking about in their study age, educational age, their first priority to the study. Yes, no.
Yes.
So if that music lecture it will be there, if music lecture compulsory, then they will not give attention. And she's talking before that, see, you told no to her that if any student doesn't like music, then he can tell to the teacher. But if in college or school compulsory the music lecture, then what will happen? Then how the students will take permission?
Yeah.
It's a big question, no?
Yeah. But my schools doesn't have compulsory music periods. And if it was compulsory, then they can attend. It was doesn't take much time. It will of 45 minutes or 1 hour.
1 hour, yeah.
But the music period is students own choice in music period. They are not some students are they are not attention in music period. They are full time pass the period.
Period, yeah.
Yeah, but
There are some few there are means few students who can give attention, but some students are only come to do time pass. Yeah.
But some music teachers were teach them by playing and uh, by teaching them with
With the new tricks.
joyful and new tricks.
Yeah, yeah. Music about.
So yeah, so that the children were doesn't bored and they will not do time pass.
Yeah.
Yes, but other activities is
Also important.
also important, but the study is first priority all of your students. So students are first priority is study, so
Focus.
they should focus in your study.
Some children like college students and 10th, 9th, they were doing their studies by listening music, and music also keep their mind fresh.
Mind fresh, yeah.
Yeah.
When she is talking, I have also seen so many students who means they like to do study with music. Everyone's habit is different.
Yes, I agree with you, but the school students are specific student is 9th and 10th. They are not attention in your study because they are full attention in music class, and they are not good.
It's not.
It's not good because they are state board in Maharashtra. They gives exam. They will give exam.
Give देतात की घेतात.
देतात ना.
देतात.
They will give exam. So I must say because the music isn't like this students like this subject.
It's
Uh,
compulsory.
I agree, but 9th and 10th students have too much of pressure, so they were doing whole day studies, so they have to listen music to less their pressure.
Yeah, yeah. And you know about that now 10th standard board, they are added some marks, no? That which quality do you have? That certificates mark they are include. So it's good, no? Music it should be compulsory.
Yes, but the marks are very little because 6 marks are increase the result, but um, some studies you are will you will doing
With your hard work.
with your hard work.
We talk about the career.
Um, some students had want to do career in music and they do it also,
Yes.
and they were became so much
Famous.
successful
Famous
and
singer.
famous also.
Yeah, yes, but all students are not doing career and
In music.
in music.
But if they want to listen music, it was good for their health also.
Yeah.
Yes, but
Means in music there is strong power to we can express our opinion through the music. Yes.
yeah, but all students are not doing career in music because they specific
They have specific
specific
or different art.
or different art.
different skill.
I agree, but you joined anything, but
My
you joined any activity or anything, but if you listen music, then you feel fresh.
fresh. Yeah.
Yes, but other activities are you can get your you can get happy and happiness and in
Means
your
through the other activities also we get happiness like
And
sports.
sports,
Dance.
dancing, and writing skill are your best.
Yeah. But without music we can't dance, no?
Yeah, without music, the dance doesn't have any value.
Yes, but any skill, any points are there. You can happiness.
You get happiness.
With music, you can show your emotions.
Emotions. Yeah. With music, yeah, we can express
Yes, but other activities you can express your
through the other activities.
uh,
Through the other activities.
through the other activities, and
We can express our
we can
again through the other activities.
through the other activities, and you can express your emotions.
Yeah,
Through the like
but
the side, through the other activities we can and use kuru. No.
yeah,
Through the other activities, we can express your emotions.
yeah, but some people can't express their feelings or emotions with telling or other activities. So they can express their feelings or emotions with music.
Yes, but
If you have singing power, if you have singing power, then you get good image, you get good scope, you can sing as you want, where you want, when you want. Yeah.
yes, but some students are not. Some students are didn't like don't like music. They are like other activities,
They like.
and they like other activities. Sport, for example, for sport, dancing, and etc.
Okay.
You tell other point, you are repeating that only point.
But nowadays everyone was listening music.
Early in the morning, we start our morning through the God prayer. So music is include there.
But small children are not effect on this music.
No, yes. How can you say that? Have you seen ever the small child when he or she crying? That time mother sing lullaby and sleep to her or him. So in music there is strong power. We can connect to the God. We can connect with the God while praying to God. Okay. Also, mother. Sometimes we have sing so many songs. When we listen, that time we start to cry. It's attached, that their emotion attached towards us.
But small children are not understood this music and understand this music.
But how can you say that they were not understand it?
When the music start and they are sleeping, no?
When the music start, they were starting to wave, dancing.
Dancing, yeah.
Yes, but some child are some children are any activities are happiness,
Get happiness.
get to happiness.
So, students, you have given good points, but I want some extraordinary points. I want some extraordinary points and views from you. Okay, so you have to study. You have to read it. You have to read any book, newspaper also. Then you will improve your English. Means you will improve your knowledge. Suppose if I give you point, then you have to study well. In first in Marathi, you have to collect the information. What means? What can we tell? Some extraordinary point. Got it. So I want more practice from you. Okay. After some days I will give you 1 point. So you have to proper. You don't have to repeat that again and again. You have to tell some extraordinary points. Okay. So thanks for watching this video.